Hello guys, once again welcome to Active Education Pro. In my last video already we have solved question number 1 to 6 of exercise 2.5 class 8 linear mathematics in one variable. So in this video we are starting from question number 7. So let's start solving of question number 7. Question number 7. T minus 3 is equal to 5 2t plus 1. This is the question. First open the bracket by simplifying it. 3t minus 3 is 9 and then 10t plus 5. Now collect the variables to one side and the constants to another side. 3t minus 10t is equal to 5 plus 9 minus 70 is equal to 14 and then t is 14 by 7 and this minus sign will come to right side minus and the answer is minus 2. For this question number 7, variable here the variable is t and the answer is minus 2. So now let's move to next question, question number 8. 15 y minus 4 minus 2 y minus 9 plus 5 y plus 6 is equal to 0. Let's see the questions. In our right side it contains only 1 0. No variables, no constants, only 0, simple 0. So here we have to solve only left side. First open the bracket, simplify it. 15y minus 15 4 is 60 minus 2 into y 2y minus 2 with minus 9 it will be plus 18, 9 2 is 18 plus 5y plus 30 is equal to 0. Here there are variables of y and constant. So first 15y minus 2y plus 5y. First together gathering the variables and then constants. Minus 60 plus 18 plus 30 is equal to 0. As per the addition and subtraction rule of polynomials, it will be 15 plus 5 20y minus 2y will be 18y minus 60. 18 plus 30 it will be 48 and 60 minus 60 plus 48 it will be minus 12 is equal to 0. And here 18y will be plus 12, minus 12 goes to our right side plus 12 and then y is 12 by 18. By cancelling both the numerator and denominator by 6 it will be 2 by 3. If you cancel by 6 then 6 2 is 12 and 6 3 is 18 and here the answer is 2 by 3. For this question number 18, variable is y and the value of y is 2 by 3. And the next question, question number 9. 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 8z minus 13 minus 17. Similarly, question number 7 and 8. Open the bracket by simplifying these polynomials. 3 5z will be 15z minus 21 is minus 2 into 9z 18z minus 2 with minus 11 will be plus 22, then 32z minus 13 4z 52 minus 17. Gather the variables and constants as per the rules to solve polynomial equations. 15z minus 18z, here 32z, at our right sides it will become minus 32z and here minus 9 5 and 6, these two become minus 69 and here minus 21 plus 22 will become plus 21 and minus 22. The next step, here 15z minus 50z. These two numbers, these two terms will become minus 50z. And here 21 minus 22, it will become minus 1, and 69 minus 1, minus 70. And then it will become minus 35z is equal to minus 70. Cancel minus signs from both the sides. And now z is equal to 70 by 35, it is 2. So the value of the variable z is 2 for this question number 9 of the exercise 2.5. Then the last question of this exercise 2.5 is question number 10. Question number 10, 0.25 into 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 bracket start 10f minus 9 bracket n. Here the constants number is a decimal number. Whatever the questions already we have covered in this exercise or previous exercise, you have just constant means natural number with positive integer or negative integer. But this is the first question of this chapter, linear equations in mathematics, linear mathematics in one variable. Number is decimal number. This equation consisting of decimal number as its constant 0.25 and another decimal number is 0.05. You can multiply like decimal number multiplication. Usually you have studied in your lower standard. Otherwise you make it the fractional form. 0.25 means 25 by 100. It is the fractional form of 0.25 decimal number. So first we normally multiply as decimal number multiplication. Here 0.25 into 4f minus 0.25 into 3. Here we multiply this 0.25 decimal number with each term of this bracket 4f and 3. Now 0.05 into 10f minus 0.05 into 9. Similarly at right side we just multiply 0.05 with each term 10f and minus 9. Now get the result 0.25 into 4 will be f. 0.25 into 4, if you multiply 0.25 into 4, it will be 1f. So here I write f, then 0.75 is equal to 0.5f, 0.45. Okay, now gather the constants and variables. F minus 0.5f is equal to minus 0.45 plus 0.75. Here 0.5f, it means half. 0.5 means it's half. And here minus 0.45 and plus 0.75, this is the greater number and the sign is positive, so need not to put the positive mark here, and the answer is 0.30. And now f will be 0.30 by 0.5. And you know here as the numerator and denominator, numerator consisting of two decimal places, 10th place and 100th place, and denominator consists of one decimal places, and this is the 10th place. So here the answer will be 0.6. 5 cancel, 30 cancelled by 5, and here there are two decimal numbers as in numerator and one decimal place in denominator. So in this answer containing one decimal places in our answer. So here answer is 0.6. Otherwise you can solve it by change these decimal numbers to fractional numbers. Means here 0.25 is 25 by 100. 0.25 is 25 by 100 and 0.05 is 5 by 100. If you cancel by 5, it will be 1 by 20 and it will be 1 by 4. This is the least form of 0.25 and this is the least form 1 by 20 is the least form of 0.05 decimal number. And as per the question given to us, 1 by 4, 0.25 is equal to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 multiply with 4f minus 3 and then 1 by 20 with 10f minus 9. This is the fractional form. Now we make the decimal numbers to the fractional numbers. Now multiply similarly 1 by 4 into 4f minus 3 by 4 is equal to 10f by 20 minus 9 by 20. 4 cancelled, f minus 3 by 4, 10 cancelled to f by 2 minus 9 by 20. Numerator 9 and denominator 20, there are no common factor, so it can be cancelled. So 9 by 20 is remaining as 9 by 20. Here now f minus f by 2 and 9 by 20 minus 9 by 20 is plus 3 by 4. This is 4. Now take the LCM 2f minus f, and here 20 is the LCM, minus 9 plus 5 3 is 15. 24, LCM of 20 and 4 is 20, and divided 20 by this denominator and then multiply the division result with the numerator. Here 20 by 20 is 1 and minus 9 with 1 is minus 9. 20 by 4 is 5 and then multiply with this 3, 5 3 is 15. Now f by 2 is equal to 6 by 20. F is equal to 6 by 20. This denominator will become the numerator when it comes from left side to right side. 2. Then 2 cancel the 20, it will be 60. So 10. 6 by 10 is 0.6. Here the denominator is 10, so you can convert this fraction to the decimal number, and the decimal number is 0.6. 0.6 is the decimal form of this fraction number 6 by 10, and this is your answer. Here we have solved. Here we solved this same question number 10 of this exercise in two methods. One is as usual decimal multiplication, decimal addition. As usual, you know, this is decimal number systems, and again we make this decimal number to the fractional number and then solve as usual fractional number calculation. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video, and press the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.